Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language of your iPhone. So let's get started. So what you need to do is you need to press this settings icon here. So I'm going to press on the settings icon, press on general, and under general I will see this option which says language and region. Okay, so just press on language and region, and once language and region opens you will be able to see iPhone language here. In my case it's English right now. If I want to add any additional language, I need to press on the other languages option. So I'm going to press on other languages, and from here I can choose any other language. So let's say I want to choose this German language, so I'm going to just press on German, and then it's going to give me this kind of warning. So I'm going to just press on change to German, which is going to take some time, and after some time the preferred language of my iPhone will be German. So now you can see everything is changed to the German language, right from the text to everything. Now let me show you how you can change the language back to English. So for that what you need to do is you need to just drag this English language at the top of this list. Okay, so once you drag this English language at the top of your list, it will be your preferred language, and then you just need to press on the red option here. So I'm going to just press on this red option, which means it's going to set English language back as my preferred language. So now I can see English is now set as my preferred language. So this is how you can change the language on your iPhone, and don't forget whatever language is at the top of this list will be your system language of your iPhone. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.